Hi guys and dolls, divinedivak here, and I am here to share with you a curly hair care product. So, but before I do that, I am going to ask you to subscribe to my channel if you like curly hair videos and products reviews about curly hair. This is not going to be a review. I'm just going to reveal what I purchased. This is between Black Friday and the end of the year because I'm going to go on a no-buy starting 2019. Not a no-buy. Let me correct myself. A low-buy. I am one of those YouTubers who are going to go on a low-buy. I went crazy in 2018 and I need to use up my stash. And so you're going to see use up your stash videos where I have gone through some of my curly hair products, and you will also and I'm trying to really hone in some holy grails. I know I have a holy grail gel, but I'd like to figure out what a holy grail leave-in, a holy grail styler. I've tried to do twist outs, so in 2019 I wanted to work on twist outs, but I'm digressing. So let me share with you the product that I purchased is Curl Mix. Curl Mix. I have seen a lot of videos about Curl Mix, and I was interested. I went on that whole flaxseed gel kick, and I made my own flaxseed gel. It didn't really work very well for me, so I figured, okay, let the professionals do it. And so in this, it has like a guide to their flaxseed gels. And oh, there's a coupon code. I will put that below that you could use. And so it talks a little bit about their story and how the founders came about making Curl Mix. And my hair really loves avocado, so I wanted to try their mix. So I got a pure flaxseed sensitive gel, which, no, I didn't get that. I think that was a sample. Whoa. Wow, that's a pretty big sample. That is a pretty big sample. Yeah, this is their pure flaxseed sensitive organic sweet almond oil, and my hair likes almond oil too. So what I bought was their pure avocado moisture. So this is a leave-in. So because my hair loves avocado oil, I said, okay, I think I'd be pretty safe in buying the avocado one. And it says, on clean, damp or soaking wet hair, apply the pure avocado moisture. That's step 1. Step 2, work through each section while applying the moisturizer. Step 3, layer the pure flaxseed gel to define your natural curl pattern and give you the perfect lightweight wash and go. You may use this product as a leave-in conditioner. So this is supposedly a lavender fragrance. I don't want to open it because I don't know when I'm going to get around to it, so it'll probably be in my refrigerator. So it says that it's lavender, so it can be used as a leave-in. It's organic jojoba oil. This one has organic jojoba oil and avocado. So I think that this is going to be really, really good. I can't wait to try that. And then the pair that I bought, because they really come in pairs, the pair that I bought was the hair growth pair. One is pure avocado moisture. This is hair growth organic. This has organic hemp seed oil. And then the flaxseed gel hair growth organic hemp. So this is organic hemp and for hair growth. Now, don't get me wrong, I don't expect either of these to grow my hair because hair grows from the inside out. It's the nutrition that I'm putting in my body so I'm not expecting it to grow my hair. However, I've heard a lot of good things about hemp, and so I really wanted to try hemp. and I heard that this one smells like watermelon. Yep, it's watermelon fragrance. And I said, you know what, I've never had anything that smells like watermelon as a hair care product, so I wanted to do that. And they did put in the, it was a sale. I can't remember if it was 30% off. I think it was 30% off, because I've gotten to the point where if you're going to do 20, if you're going to do less than 30, I'm not buying it, because I can wait till Black Friday. I got more than enough products. I can wait till Black Friday or till you get to doing about 30. And you can follow them, and you get 10% off using the code PURE. And no minimum, no expiration. You can follow them on Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, and Instagram. So that was my curl mix haul. And I'm not quite sure when I'll get around to putting this in my hair, but when I do, I will come back to you and let you know how it worked on my hair. I have a lot of things in my refrigerator and that I have purchased from Black Friday, so before this, that I have to go through. And then I have the things that I actually am currently using. So what's in my hair right now is a wash and go. It has the Curl Dynasty icing on the curl as the butter underneath. Then I have Uncle Funky's Daughter Curly Magic on top, and a little bit of Kinky Curly Curling Custard on top. And because I just finished those off, so they're going into my use up the stash. So that's my curl mix haul. I hope you guys are doing well, and if you've made it to this part of the video, that means that you really do like my content. So I would ask that you hit the subscribe button below, and you also hit the bell so that you know when I am uploading. I'm trying to be more consistent in 2019, and so I will see you in my next video.